Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salman Saeed and today we're going to talk about how to build your personal style. But before we get into that, subscribe to the channel Men's Guide by Dari Pitch. How to find your personal style. Fashion happens to be such an important thing in our lives that it allows you to communicate without having to actually communicate. It keeps the power कि आप किसी भी room में जाओ but without having to converse with anyone, they are able to extract a very insightful information out of you. And इससे ज़्यादा कोई valuable चीज़ नहीं होती because it helps create a lasting impression. But at the same time, how do you actually find your personal style? People have different fashion aesthetics and that's absolutely fine. Some want to look affluent as if they can invest a lot of money, while some want to pursue tech-inspired fashion looks. कोई बहुत वाइब्रेंट कपड़े पहनना चाहता है and कोई absolutely dark. But that's fine. इसमें कोई मसला नहीं है. But the most important and most beautiful thing over here is how do you actually get to the route and you're able to build your personal style. And I will help you do that. Number one, get exposed to more and more content. The most important thing is कि आपने अपना exposure increase करना है. The more content that you are consuming related to fashion, the more and more it is building in your subconscious and it is picking out the best pieces and showing it to you in your head कि ये चीज़ें आप पे अच्छी लगेंगी. And it's very simple. You need to pick top 3 to 4 creators जिनका content आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है and you feel they have a very similar vibe to yours. And then you start consuming more and more of their content on daily basis. So you train your mind that you're able to see the right aesthetics that you're able to balance out with your personality. And once that's done, you won't even know it that you are on the first stage of actually building how your entire wardrobe and your aesthetic should look like. Number 2, start building your wardrobe. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज़ funny लगेगी and that's fine also, but yes, you need to start building your own mood. When you have a mood board, it gives you a bird's eye view कि आपको कौन से color palette की चीज़ें पहनना अच्छी लगती है. But an important question is, how do you actually define a color palette? The best place to find a good color palette is nature. आपको nature में इतने सारे अच्छे color combinations and इतनी सारे well resonating color combinations दिखते हैं that if you start picking them out and placing them on a mood board and looking at it, how it will complement you, you will actually find the right balance of colors for yourselves. This is, for example, green is likely to go great with brown. At the same time, white is likely to go great with blue. If you're able to max infuse these colors and you identify a few combinations that you're likely to rock, you have the perfect color palette for your mood board. Once that is done, you go back to point number 1. And you go to the point where you're exposing yourself to content and make sure you're taking a lot of pictures in your phone from the content creators and their content that you are consuming. इससे ये होगा कि आपका identified color palette and the aesthetics that you're trying to replicate in your own personal style statement, उनको fuse करने के लिए you have a lot of combinations and a complete mood board that showcases the aesthetics that you like, the colors that you like, and at the same time you're able to put all of them together and complete step 2. Number 3, building your style architecture. This is going to be one of the most important steps in helping you identify your personal style. What you're going to do is you're going to distill those 3 to 4 insights and build them into structures. So number 1 being, what is your preferred color? You will identify कि कौन सा color palette सबसे ज़्यादा आप पे अच्छा लग रहा होता है and you're okay to wear it more than once a week or maybe 10 times a month. So for me, it's white, grays and blacks. These are color palettes जिसमें मेरे पास multiple combinations होते हैं and I don't mind carrying them day in, day out. The second step is identifying your core staples. That will become the backbone of your entire wardrobe. For example, I like linen shirts, sneakers, loafers. ये मेरे wardrobe के इतने powerful staples हैं कि I will use them and reuse them again and again to change and multiply my entire wardrobe functionality. Making sure कि मैं जो भी पहन रहा हूँ उसमें इन कुछ pieces का एक aesthetic evolve हो रहा हो and वो अच्छा लगे. Number 3, build your wardrobe with simplicity. Fashion is an evolving step. अगर आपकी basis simple and elegant होगी, so there will always be a lot of potential for you to keep on adding things and minting more and more valuable clothing materials out of it. So you can Start fresh and clean, but eventually evolve your fashion into a place where there is so much for you to mix and match and play that you're able to create a versatile wardrobe. Remember, this is going to be the most important step in helping you build your personal style. So invest the right amount of time into it. ये 5 से 6 दिन का process नहीं है. This will likely take months. But not only enjoy the process, but at the same time really put your heart into it. That how long can you actually put together color combinations that fill your color palette in the best way possible? What are those right staples that actually help you complete your entire capsule wardrobe? कौन से sneakers मुझे हमेशा पहनने, कौन सी shirts I will always be willing to wear, and pieces like these. And once you're able to identify these 2 to 3 core things, you can go on to the next step. And कौन सी एक वो basic structure है of whatever I wear that I can rock in many multiple combinations, because this will be the starting point for your fashion for years to come. So invest the right time into it. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough, 80% of the men get this wrong. You cannot be an impulsive buyer. You need to be very intentional about any and everything that you purchase. हर चीज़ पे थोड़ी research करके आपने उसको खरीदना है. You need to wait for the right time to get those things. Do not go in that phase where you bulk shop any and every good collection that drops. You need to slowly and gradually pick out staples जो तुम्हें लगते हैं कि यार मेरी wardrobe का backbone बनने में इसका सबसे बड़ा हाथ होगा. So maybe you go and pick around like plain white t-shirts. Maybe you go and pick around linen shirts that complement your look. Maybe you go and pick around कि white sneakers मेरे wardrobe का ऐसा staple होंगे जिसको मैं 1 नहीं 10 नहीं 20 दिन पहनूंगा, but I will rock every look that I try to carry into it. So you need to be very intentional about every purchase, be very thoughtful about every purchase, because for that you will be able to reach a point कि wardrobe पूरा complete होगा and everything will be an essential piece into it. Finally, understand कि fashion जो है वो change होता रहता है. Trends keep on coming in, trends keep on going out, but you need to identify कि हर trend आपके लिए नहीं होगा. हो सकता है कोई चीज़ that suits A does not suit B, and that's fine. You need to make sure the right trend complements you. एक पॉइंट पे स्किनी जीन्स बहुत हॉट होती थी, अभी कोई नहीं पहनता, and that's great. So you need to be sure about कि आप हर ट्रेंड पे ना तो हॉप ऑन कर रहे हो, but at the same time you're extracting essence out of it and making sure आपका जो core fashion style and इस तरह का आपने identify की वो change ना हो, but वो evolve and improve होता रहो. So you can overall improve the aesthetic that you've been trying to build over the years, and you're able to take that a long way. Also guys, a lot of men tend to avoid, they forget their hair. आप कपड़े जितने भी अच्छे पहन लो, अगर आपके बाल अच्छे नहीं बने हुए होंगे, it is likely that you will not be looking a 10 out of 10. तो आपने अपने बालों में भी right amount of energy and effort invest करना है. And if you're someone like me who wants his hair done day in day out and making sure that it looks good throughout the day, you should try out Daadi Mooch ka hair clay wax. It is very reworkable, gives you a very nice matte finish, and baal din bhar fresh and healthy लगते हैं. So make sure you get on this too. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and now you have the right steps to go and identify your personal style. Drop a comment and save this video, and don't forget to tell me who your favorite creator is जिसके fashion statements आप inspired हो. And at the same time, if you want to become the best groomed version of yourself, don't forget to subscribe to Men's Guide by Daadi. To see you in the next one.